Hey, fellow adventurers. If you're planning your next camping trip, you need these 6 awesome gadgets. Stay tuned until the end because number 5 is a total game changer. And hey, if you love cool gadgets, hit the like button and subscribe for more honest reviews on the best outdoor products. First, we have a USB rechargeable camping lantern. It's compact, bright, and can be hung anywhere. Need a light while you cook? No problem. Want some cozy atmosphere in your tent? Done. Plus, it's rechargeable, so say goodbye to searching for batteries in the dark. Next, this 3-in-1 camping lantern and deflator. It inflates and deflates your air mattress or swim ring in seconds. And it's also a lantern. Who doesn't love a gadget that does more than one thing? Well, this one is pretty cool. A solar-powered inflatable camping light. It's foldable, floats in water, and is waterproof. It's great for pool parties, night swims, and lighting up tents. It does it all. Plus, it's solar-powered, so Mother Nature approves. Now, let's talk food. The Nextel Camping Barbecue Toolkit comes with a picnic knife, cutting board, and multifunction scissors. Whether you're chopping, dicing, or cutting open anything, this little kit has you covered. This tent is pure magic. The automatic inflatable camping tent sets up in seconds. No poles or fuss. Just inflate it, and you've got yourself a comfortable, rainproof shelter. Perfect for lazy campers like me. Finally, the ultimate camping tool, the Work Pro 11-in-1 multipliers. Need to strip a wire? Need to open a bottle? Need to repair a tent pole? This amazing tool does it all. If you're only going to carry one tool on your trip, let it be this.